And here's how the gauge cluster looks like right now. As you can see, the dashboard light looks really dim. Sometimes it doesn't even turn on. As you can see, my hazard light is on, my gauge cluster is on, but the dashboard light is not turned on. And here's after. And here's how the center console looks like. Hey guys, what's up? It's another bright and early morning. Sun is out. Actually no, sun is not really out yet because it's really early in the morning. But yeah, we're gonna go do the car today. And yeah, the parts have arrived. The lights, so I hope it works, you know, I have to check it out. Stay tuned. Well, let's open this up. So, here are the LEDs. Appear to look okay. Well, we have to put them in the car and check if it actually works. They are 940 LEDs. Oh wait, I made a mistake. It's not 940 LEDs, it's 194 LEDs. Oh, such a dumbass. Yeah, so 194 LEDs for the interior.
One eternity later.
Rio, fast typing. Rio.
No, you type that.
No, not that fast.
That speed, no, like you're like
And here's after. As you can see, it's all red, except there's one little problem. If you can see towards 220 and 240, it's yellow. And if you see towards the right, 6000, 7000, 8000 RPM is yellow. And my temperature gauge is yellow. The reason being is because I couldn't change all of the LEDs to red. This is maybe due to the increased resistance in the line or the circuit due to its old age. So when I put in the red color LED, it does not turn on, but when I put back the old incandescent bulb, it works. And here's how the center console looks like after. But the best part is, when I on these lights, the gauge cluster and the center console, and I start the car, the radio light does turn on as well. And this is also red, so as you can see, it looks really sick. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So that's the video of us changing the gauge cluster lights and the center console lights. And remember,
Don't forget to change your blinker fluid.
bye!